I want you to watch these for a second, because what you're looking at aren't real renovation videos. These luxury before and after videos are a brand new content niche that's quietly blowing up on Facebook and YouTube, and most people don't even realize they're AI generated. The craziest part, almost nobody is teaching how to make them yet. The competition is still low and the audience is massive. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how the niche works, why it's taking off right now, and how you can start creating these videos from scratch for free. So we're going over to Google Labs and we're going to be using Flow because you can create images on here for free, which I find amazing. I don't know if any of you knew that, but you just go to Google Labs and then you click Flow. So first you're going to click on New Project. Make sure that the tool is on Images. You want it to be on Images. Once you have it there, you come down to Settings right in the corner right there. And then you're going to make sure that you're using Nano Banana Pro. And yes, even using Nano Banana Pro, it's still free. Now your output for images, I usually do one because I don't really need a whole bunch. And then you're going to make sure you're on portrait, not landscape, because these are going to be for reels or shorts. Once you're done, you're going to put in a prompt. You don't need images yet because you're creating the image on here. Now, if you're looking for prompts or the workflow or the prompts I'm using today, everything will be inside my community. Now, once you have your prompt, which I'm just going to paste it here because I already have one curated, I'm going to paste it in and then I'm going to click generate. Once the picture's done generating, this is what it will give me. So it gives me the foundation, the before the reno even happens, and that's the kind of image you want. Once you're done, you're going to download it in 2K. The upscale only takes about a couple seconds, but once it's done, you just click download and it goes straight into your phone. Now you're going to need the last image. This is when your reno's already done. So you're going to paste in this image that we just generated because you need a reference image for what the finished image is going to look like. So once you download that and it's in, as you can see, you're going to paste in a prompt. I already have one curated. I'm just going to paste it in. And once everything is aligned and all the settings are good, you're going to click generate. Once generated, this is what the image will look like. That looks beautiful. Okay, so you're going to download this image as well because you're going to need both of these images to create your video. Download it in 2K and then download it to your phone. Now don't leave Google Flow because we're going to be still using this for our videos. Click the video tab and then you're going to click on create image. Then you're going to click on frames to video and now it's showing you that you can upload 2 images and you're going to put in a prompt. So first we're going to upload the 2 images. First the foundation and then the reveal. So click on the first one and upload the first image. And then you're going to click on the second one and you're going to upload this image, the one that we just created. Now that you have both images uploaded, you're going to put in a prompt to make these images turn into a video. I already have a prompt curated. If you're looking for my prompts, everything is inside my community. So you're just going to paste in this prompt to turn these images into a video. Once you have everything done and your settings is done, you're going to click on generate. Now this only takes a couple seconds to generate, I think about 30 seconds. Once it's done, here's the video. So this looks great. The workers, they actually look like they're working. This looks like a time-lapse video. And then we have the end product. So once you're done, you're just going to download it. The good thing about this is that you don't have to wait for the upscale. Just download it straight to your phone. Now you need the reveal. This is going to be the last video. You can make them this short, but 16 to 20 seconds is best. So then you're going to upload the last image only, nothing else. Then you're going to upload the second prompt to show the reveal of the steps. Once you have everything in, the image and the prompt and all the settings are okay, you click on generate. Then you get a video that looks like this. So now it's showcasing the steps. They look great. It gives you different sides of the steps. They look amazing. Now, when you create these, you can decide to put ASMR of them moving around, or you can decide to put music, but I usually add my music later. So I'm going to download all the videos and I'm going to show you how I do that. I take both videos and I take them over to CapCut. Once I'm over in CapCut, I upload both videos. As you can see here, don't forget to take off the watermark for CapCut. You can just delete it. And then I usually, if it doesn't sound like this, I usually just turn them down and add background audio. Now you can add the audio from here, or you can add trending audio. It's really up to you, but I am going to show you how to do it on here. So I just turn down the audio for both clips. Then I go to sounds, and then I put in something like piano song or chill background music. I'm just going to show you piano sounds or songs. And then I usually use this one, and then these, and you can use whatever ones you want. Make sure that it's at the beginning of the video, and then it looks and sounds like this. So I guess this does look a little better. The song just fits better with the whole elegance. Don't forget to cut off the end of the song. Now you do see the VO watermark. Now you can either stretch that out. If you don't want to do that, I usually just add like a mini branding down in the corner. So I'll click on text, and then I'll click on add text, and then let my branding AIWL, and then I'll click on effects just to make the wording look a bit more better. I'll just click on this, and you can choose whatever ones you want. I usually just do the pink, as you can see in my videos up at the top, and then I just shrink it down, put it down in the corner. That's usually what I do when I have a problem like this. Can't go wrong with your own branding. That way no one can even copy it, right? So once you're done and you have your video complete, you're just going to go up to the corner and you're going to export your video. Turn off the AI Ultra HD. You don't need it. Now you can either download in 1080 or 4K. I usually do 1080 though. Now it's ready for upload. Here's the video. There's two ways how to do this. So if you are curious on the third way, everything is inside my community. It's where the workers are working more and the reveal is shorter. So that one makes your video a bit more cinematic. So if you're curious, you know where to go. If you're serious about creating with AI, from cinematic characters and realistic avatars to full videos, angles, movements, and monetization, this channel is for you. So make sure you're subscribed. And if you want deeper breakdowns, prompts, feedback, and behind the scenes help, join my community. That's where I teach everything I don't have time to cover here. Thanks for watching.